Hey everyone, welcome back to the Empire Fine Homes YouTube channel.
And if you're new here, my name is Alejandra.
And I'm Elias. We're your trusted real estate brokers helping you navigate the market with expert insights.
And today we are talking about something that could mean serious money in your bank. How much your home has really appreciated over the past 5 years.
You've probably seen headlines about rising home prices, but have you ever stopped to think about what that means for you? If selling has been on your mind, this could mean a bigger than expected payday when you list. Let's break it down.
Typically, home values increase by about 2 to 5% per year. But in 2021 and 2022, we saw double-digit appreciation. Some areas even saw a 20% jump. This was fueled by a high demand for homes and a limited supply. While things have normalized, homeowners like you still get the benefit from those historic gains.
And according to data from the Federal Housing Finance Agency, home prices have risen nearly 60% on average nationwide in the last 5 years. That means your home has likely gained significantly more value than it normally would. And if you own your home for longer, you're sitting on even more equity.
Now, if you've been holding off on selling because of high interest rates or today's prices, here's something to think about. Your equity could bridge the affordability gap and help you comfortably transition into your next home.
Plus, if you made any improvements to your property, that could increase your home's value even more. But the big question is, how much is your home actually worth today?
And the best way to get an accurate home valuation isn't through online estimates of national average. It is working with a local real estate expert who can analyze your home's condition, market trends, and recent sales in your area to give you the real number.
And only an experienced agent can tell you your renovations, your specific neighborhood, and the current demand affects your home's worth. So if you're curious about your home's value, let's connect.
If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update from us.
And drop a comment below if you want a free home valuation. Let's see how much equity you built.
Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.